guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming out with the new releases for this week. I'm super excited as always about this week's new releases. We have 3 exclusive collections, which is super fun. We have our spring multicolor, a wiggle, and then some really anticipated foil designs to show you guys. Also, I am going to be listing the extras of the, I'm trying to think of where I have it, of the December mystery this week, which was the foil. I mean, the extras of the foil, which was a really pretty like starry gold color in this format. So that'll be listed as well. Let me go ahead and see if I have it. So like I said, this week we do have 3 exclusive collections, which is like probably one of my favorite releases, is when all of them are exclusive, and it's just such a good week. Let me see right here. So this was the foil from the December mystery, and we will be listing the limited quantities of extras that we have of that in the shop. So let's go ahead through this week's items. We'll go through all of the kits first, and then I'll go into all of the other items. So let's start at the top. All of these collections are exclusive art, so you will not find them anywhere else. And this one is called Emily. And this is a custom art collection based on things that are very Emily. So in here you do have Emily with like Space Suns and like purple galaxy hair. You have a little Survivor mug. She has this mug downstairs. This little Taco Bell bag. You have some hair color, really cute nails, SPC bow shirt. You have Noelle, which is her dog, some donuts, some little date stickers, a Taco Bell receipt, a little sloth keychain that says TC and SPC. So it's like keys to SPC and then her car, a Dunkin' Donuts cup, and a stack of washi, and then a little plaque that says "You're fired," because that is the plaque that I got her. And then that's kind of like a little inspired room. If Emily could do her room in any which way, I'm sure it would look something similar to that. So let's go ahead and see this collection. It turned out so cute. I probably will use it for the week of Emily's birthday just because I really like the colors and the like faux purple glitter throughout. You do have a little Fenty foundation, which Emily wears, and then you have the makeup brushes, and then you have the Too Faced Sweet Peach. Too Faced is spelled wrong, but it's 2 as in the number, so it's not like really that big of a deal. Then you have the little things, the headers, all your deco over here, which is super cute. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that wasn't in here. I think we used pretty much everything. And that is like what the glitter looks like. That's like sprinkled throughout and all of the accents. Such a cute kit. And then you have like a galaxy bottom washi. I'll go ahead and show you guys. This is the 15mm add-on. You do have some just really cute kind of like basic fashion girls with sloth onesies on. You do have some label boxes. You have a glitter header option. So this is option 1, and then option 2 is like the glitter that's sprinkled throughout, which is like kind of like a galaxy glitter. Super, super cute. But and I didn't even notice, this one also has like Emily's tattoos on it. So that's Emily. So that is the Emily collection. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. All of our kits this week come in mini and ultimate. And like I said, they are all exclusive art, so you will not find this art anywhere else. It's like a really, really, really good week. I thought I heard something. No one is here. Just got back from the Trail of Lights, which if you live in Austin, super fun, our first time going. This is the mini kit. All of our mini kits are pretty much the same format, and then you have the Munchkin Head freebie as well. If you are a mini kit user, those usually do sell out faster than the ultimate kits, but we do have unlimited stock from Wednesday at noon Eastern until Friday at noon Eastern, so definitely get your hands on them then. And that is also the time frame of whenever our wiggle, which I'll go ahead and show you guys really quick because it actually would look pretty cute with this. The wiggle does go on special. So this is a really cool like pink, I don't think we got a name for it yet, pink shattered glass maybe, but it has like purple flecks in it. This would actually look really cool with this collection. Where's the colors? Like that is like really cool. So this is the same format as the last week's wiggle, but it's just a different foil color. But like, how fun is this? I love this so much. So you have the bottom washi, the icons, the flags and the bows, the date covers, which looks so cool. Oh, this is so pretty. And then you have the headers. I'm in love. This is available for $10 as a bundle from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. So get it on the special price then. Let's go into the next collection. This collection is called Brunch Babe. This was last year's September mystery, I believe. It also does come in a mini kit. And I did go ahead and I think I reformatted these boxes. I'm pretty sure I did. I think so. So this is, like I said, Brunch Babe. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I love the colors of this collection. Again, this was September mystery of last year. Just so, so pretty. So look at these colors. And it is the old format with just like the different font logo and the different payday here. You get your extra full box, little things, headers, the old weekend banner, and then you have the bottom washi. So I reformatted this a minute ago. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then the extra for this one is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous tall box. And actually, the reason why I remember I reformatted this is because the background of this is actually a kit that's not going to come out for a couple of months. Like the scene in the back of here, 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 and here. It's not going to come out for a couple months, but it's a really fire collection. So that is Brunch Babe. It was our September mystery, like I set up last year. Reformatted, and I just love it so, so, so much. Available in Ultimate and Mini. And last, but for sure, not least, is Lucky. And this is our St. Patrick's Day exclusive collection. I'm only doing one exclusive collection for St. Patrick's Day this year, and I just love this so much. So it does come in a mini kit, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit here. I am in love. So let's go ahead and open her up. This one does have the option for fan boxes, so like stay tuned because it's amazing. You do have the little munchkin head freebie, the full boxes, living for. This looks like Jessica. It didn't like mean for it to look like Jessica. I said just have like Jessica hair, but it ended up looking just like Jessica. So I was like, Jessica, you got a new custom somehow. So super cute. You have like the red hair from the back. You have a planner, a little scene. You have like a little like kids drawing here. Some really cute like modern deco, an outfit flat lay. I am just here for it. You do have your ombre heart checklist. You have your half boxes, very like traditional yet modern colors with the gold faux sprinkle throughout. You have your extra full box, which is like a traditional, like a more traditional kind of like Irish like St. Patrick's Day meal, or at least what I would make for it. Like I'm like in love with these mashed potatoes. They make me hungry every time that I see it. And then you have your extra little deco pieces over here, your weekend banner, which has that gold, which is sprinkled throughout. And then you do have your bottom washi, which is that really cool, like, I guess it's like plaid. It's not like buffalo check. Is it the same thing? I don't even know. But it's super cute. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which I love that green. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which have that faux gold sprinkled throughout. You have the option if you want to add on the label samplers. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys these fan boxes, and I'm like living for them. So again, that is Lucky, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the fan boxes in a second. Oh, such a cute kit. So excited to use it. So this is fam 1. So you do have like the hand with the nails, with the mason jars. And then you have this girl option here, the girl from behind. You have a tall box girl, a little boy, a little girl, and then a little baby from the back with the gnome with the shamrock on the butt. I mean, can you ask for anything more? I don't even know. So that's option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, and option 6. Same options as per always. So if you normally order option 3, you are in option 3. So that is all of the collections coming this week. Let me go ahead and show you guys the foil items before I show you the kits for this week. So the first item here is we have our wide boxes, which we do have the wide, these are bougie wide boxes. So if you are familiar with our extenders, this would be an equivalent of a wide extender. I did film a video on all of our extenders, but the audio was messed up and I just haven't gotten around to filming another one, but I think I'm going to do one for next week. So I'm going to go ahead and do a full demo then. But like I said, this is the same as a wide box. You would just go ahead and fold this over, put a full box on top, and there is your wide box. I'll actually, let's make this easy. Let me just show you. I'll actually pull out one of the inserts from the Estelle Cloud. And then let me see if I do have some full boxes here. This is from the Ethereal set, which did come out, I think 2 weeks ago now. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. So all you have to do here is fold it to the seam. My cuticles are like really bad because of the weather. Sorry guys. Fold it. And then you can either like put it on the page itself or just leave it on the sticker paper. It's just kind of preference. Do a little flattening. And then you just go ahead and place this down. And then you have a wide extender book. So it opens like a book. You could do it obviously either way if you wanted to fold it the opposite way. But that is that. They do end up laying down pretty flat. I've done demos with them before. It's just like until you have your planner closed for a while, they do kind of flap open. But they're super cute, and they're really cute with like double boxes and opening them. So they do come in all 4 foil colors. Again, these are like pre-bougied ones. We do have the white ones in shop, but these are the bougie ones because we do have the tall extenders and bougies as well. So that will be available this Friday. And then we do have 2 different date numbers. I got a lot of questions recently on what kind of date numbers would you use with these solid wiggles, or like maybe you just don't want foiled ones. So you can use these. So these are in black, and I'll do a little sticker swatch for you guys. So let me go ahead and I'll grab like a 31 because I'm not gonna always use those. And then let me grab a 31. This is the white version. They're gonna be on the same listing, but they'll have a drop down selection. So that is what they look like. Let me see. There you go. Clear paper, black and white. You can use them anytime, which is great, and those will be available Friday as well. Let's go ahead and go through the spring multicolor. I am super excited about this multicolor. I realized I didn't do one for fall or winter. I was just kind of like all over the place with holiday stuff and behind. So hopefully this coming year I will get on board. So you do have the pack of the 15mm washies, and I'll just go ahead and flip through the pack itself. It just kind of gives you like a slight overview of some of the colors that are used in this multicolor line. So these are great for pulling in for kits that maybe you don't have 15mm strips for, or maybe the shop doesn't offer them, or you just need extras to extend your kits. So those are all of the ones that come in the pack. A great deal there. There are 2 smaller sheets this collection. So these are the iced coffee cups, and they are in all like different colors. I think there's a set of each, like there's 2 of each one. So those are the iced coffee cups. They're like the perfect size, and I love them so much. And then you have like a little gradient sidebar thing, which is super cute. And then you also do have some laptops. So I did pick a different laptop than I was using before and put our new like bow in it, which I think looks super dainty and cute. I actually do sticker swatches with these too. You grab one of the coffees. Super cute. Perfect size. Then we do have a set of the date covers. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep doing these for future collections, but we've gotten a lot of requests for them. So there is just a set of 4 of 7. So you have those colors, which are very like, you got your like peaches, yellow, green, green and blue, purples, and then you have gray and pink. So that's a set of 4. Those will be sold as a set. There is also the label sampler, the 3rd quarter box, the third squared box, the half squared box, and then the set of the glitter headers. So really pretty pastel colors. Super pleased with the way that this turned out. So that is everything coming to the shop this Wednesday at noon Eastern. So just a little recap again, we do have the full spring multicolor line. I don't really plan to add anything else to this line for spring, and we'll kind of see how the date covers go for future releases of multicolor. Then we do have the wiggle for this week, which is just so dang pretty. Again, that's available for $10 Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. You do have the white and black date numbers. You do have the wide bougie extenders. You have the Lucky Kit. All of this week's kits are exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. You do have Brunch Babe, which was the September mystery from last year. And then last but not least, another exclusive art collection, Emily, which is based off of our employee Emily, but is just such a cute galaxy kind of just fun collection. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys liked this week's new releases, and it's just, I'm ready for 2020. I'm ready to get in my new planner, and I'm just ready to party. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!